Alright, let's play some Blitz game just to take my just to take my wow, I totally blanked out. Let's play some Blitz game because later on we will have this is outline defense, so this just to get get things pumped up. And instead of reviewing, I don't know why I'm playing chess. Wow, my Blitz rating is so low, 1931. I don't know what this opening is called, but whatever. Yeah, I don't know what this opening is. I don't I don't know much opening when I'm playing black and then the opponent played d4. I only know responses to e4 like Caro-Kann, Sicilian, and the Ray Lopez, but other than that, I don't know. Sometimes I know how to play Gruenfeld, most of the times nope. So let's see. Uh, what can black do here? I think we can push for this. And yes, I'm being aggressive with black, but that's the name of the game. I don't defend. Defense is not on my repertoire. Yes, you heard me say that right. Repertoire. And I think we can go here. And then we can go something like just go. We can take that. Just go back here. Let's be careful of this bishop to b4. Wow, I spent like 30 seconds with that move, and there we go. It's going to push for this, but our bishop is there, so let's go for this one. And of course he will move that, and I think we can go very aggressive here. Yeah, if he goes for okay, so he goes for that. No, we don't want to let him develop the queen. Whatever, let's bait him into playing f3. And if he okay, so there we go. Oh, I did not calculate that. Whatever, let's just continue pushing. If he goes for something like f3 or h3, we can just take with the pawn on g3 and nope, there we go. Let's see. Let's wait a minute. Why did he do that? I was overthinking too much, like oh, there we go, and then he pinned this bishop. That's okay because we can go rook here to defend that. No. We'll take that and let's just go for this one. Yeah, let's give this. Let's give that. Okay, so he has a lot of pawn for compensation, and there we go. Now it's so hard because our pawn is pinned. So let's go Yeah. Okay. Let's go here. Yeah. So that's what I thought he will play. You can pin the queen or just go directly here. In which case, yeah, let's go there. And we might as well sacrifice this bishop. And there we go. Wait, let's think. Let's think about this very, very carefully. Let's pin first that rook. Yeah, I think this is a better move than sacrifice. Oh yeah, he goes for that. Let's see. He can go check here. Yep, there we go. This is going to be checkmate. Wow! Wow, I cannot believe I did this. And there we go, it's checkmate. That was more of like natural instinct. Natural instinct. Yeah, I'm like Mikhail Tal. And let's play another game. I don't think so. Let's stop this for now. And Agad Mator, please review this game if you will. But I'm not bold enough to send you my own game, so